How to change Apple Family Sharing payment method. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device and then move ahead to your Apple ID settings. In this page, tons of different options will be visible to you, but head over to Manage Payments. All the payment methods that you have added will be available to you in this page. If you want to remove and add new one, then what you want to do is click on the payment method that you would like to remove and then click on Edit at the top right corner. Click on Remove Payment Method and then tap on Remove. Once you clicked on Remove, it will be removed successfully. Once done, now go back to your previous page. If you want to change or add a new payment method, tap on Add Payment Method over here. You will have to enter all the detailed information about your card. Choose whether it is credit or debit card or PayPal, and then enter the number of your card, expiry date, CVV number, and also a billing address. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Done at the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change Apple Family Sharing payment method. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.